Hello everybody, Coach Castle here, and today we'll be going over the Nordic hamstring curl as well as the machine-assisted sissy squat. Now, as for the Nordic hamstring curl, you're actually going to want to start with your torso and your legs almost at a 90-degree position. You're going to descend slowly during the eccentric portion, and then rapidly lift yourself up by contracting your hamstrings, as well as exploding slightly using your front deltoids to push yourself upright. Now, this movement again should always be performed heavily, focusing on the eccentric portion, and the concentric should be as rapid as possible, and you will be assisting yourself again, kind of with an explosive push-up, if you will. Now you can see just from this very simple machine I built here, simply using a pool noodle, dowel rod, couple 2x4s, a piece of plywood, and a pad, I'm able to go from doing the hamstring curl, switching over, now with the adjustable height I have here, into performing a sissy squat. Now during the sissy squat on this particular machine, all of the force will be driving forward and upwards into your toes. You're basically doing a body weight leg extension. Here you can see again, heavily focusing on the eccentric portion of the movement, nice and slowly, and then rapidly raising myself. Now an important thing to note here is when you are lowering yourself downwards, the more you lean backwards, the more load will be delivered to your quadriceps. The more you lean forward, the less load. So going down, you'll want to lean backwards, and going up, you'll want to lean forward. Now, let's go ahead and get into the actual anatomy here of the Nordic hamstring curl. The Nordic hamstring curl involves kneeling on a pad, lowering yourself under control, while the ankles are held in place by a partner, barbell, or any other immovable object. Very simple to perform. The Nordic hamstring curl is highly effective hamstring exercise. Here's a couple different variations you can see performed with a partner or a barbell. You could use a couch or just simply the machine that you saw me build here. All are good options. Now, as for the sissy squat, the quadriceps femoris muscle extends the knee, the gluteus maximus extends the thigh at the hip joint, the hamstrings assist in the hip extension, and the gastrocnemius and solar plantar flex the foot. Now this movement, again, you'll be wanting to lean backwards for the eccentric and lean forward for the concentric. This will give you more control of the actual load being delivered to your muscle groups. I hope this helps everybody. Just a reminder that exercise is a hierarchy, and there's only one perfect exercise for every muscle on your body. Now please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It helps a lot.
Planes fly, cars drive, computers compute. If you base medicine on science, you cure people. If you base the design of planes on science, they fly. If you base the design of rockets on science, they reach the moon. It works, bitches.